So a while back, my Aftershocks headphones snapped at the headband part right here on the left side, and they are not cheap. So this was about 2 years ago, and I have been planning to fix it for quite some time. This is actually the first iteration, and the plan was to print overhang and then use a heat gun to kind of fold it down, which, I mean, in theory it did work, but you know, obviously there was no hole. And then I also planned to like fill this with glue. So I went back and printed it again to kind of minimize that space. And this is the version 2. Sorry, kind of shadow there. You can kind of see where it overlaps a little bit on the back side so that the headband portion can fit. But I had a feeling that it was not wide enough. So it was kind of like I know this is a failure, but at least it'll give me an idea on how much I need as far as space. So the final version is this. I think it looks really good. It's not perfect. And to combat it popping out here on this back side, I have this marine heat shrink tubing that I'm going to put on, and then it should be good to go. So $128 headphones at the time. You know, I think these are discontinued because they've moved on to other models, but I like these better because the wraparound. They had, I think like the next model had like a split where you had left and right. And I did not want to deal with that. I mean, there's a higher chance I'd lose it. So yeah, I think this was a better workaround. So, you know, sometimes you got to mend your stuff. It's cheaper.